Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram channel from your Telegram app. So it's really easy. So here, if you just in the bottom right side corner, you will see the pencil icon. Tap on it. Now here on the top you will see the three options: new group, new secret chat or new channel. So there's a difference between a group and channel. In a group group is basically small, right? Where you can just add your friends and families. But a channel is just like a YouTube channel where you can just add anybody, and it has a limit up to 1 lakh people. So here we will just go and click new channel. Now click on create channel. So we just want to name this channel. You can name anything. So I will just write here name, and we just test one. Description, you can just describe that what is this channel for. And once everything is done, click on the top right, there's a tick mark. It will load for a few seconds. Now it will ask you that whether you want to create a public channel or private channel. In a public channel, anybody can join in your server without informing you, right? And it is available in the search bar. Anybody can look for in the search bar and they can join it. In a private, only those people can join if you share this link. So this is a link which you can see here. Only if I share this link, then only that person will available to join it. And there's no other way to join this private channel. So let's say I just want to create a public channel. In a public channel, it will ask you to rename your public link, which is just like a username, and it should be unique. So let's say I will just write here test, and I will just create a unique name here. You can just write anything. On the top right side corner, you will again see a tick mark. Tap on it. Now here you have to add your member. Just like when you create a group, you can add your member. If you don't want to add a member, that's fine. You can just go forward. Now our channel has been successfully created. Now you can just write here hi, and all the members of my channel can read it. They can even reply. So this is how you can create. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.